As a beginner, did you know you can complete the Bring Sally Up challenge by pushing through failure, thereby building the strength and endurance needed in order for you to complete the proper challenge within a short period of time? Well, my name is Chris, and today is the beginning of your 4-week journey to completing the Bring Sally Up challenge. You are going to be doing this workout 3 times every single week for the next 4 weeks. And always remember, when doing this challenge, make sure you push yourself to failure till you reach that point where you can no longer do any single rep, and then you switch to the knee version and keep going, because this is the only way in which you are going to be building strength and endurance needed to complete this challenge in the next 4 weeks. Come on guys, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. I'm very excited about this challenge right now, but remember, if you really want to achieve something, you need to be willing to put in the time and effort to work towards that particular thing. That said, let's get to the workout, guys.